Hi, Polly. What are you doing? Are you eating some blueberries? You eat blueberries? Yum, yum. Are they tasty? Polly likes blueberries. Oh, there go Mama. There go Mama. Hey, Polly. Oh, that go blueberry. You gonna eat it up? Yum, yum, yum. Oh, so good. Tasty. Oh, you can't touch my camera with your dirty paws. No. Get a drink. I'm a big girl. I'm learning how to use my cup. I'm learning. I'm a big girl. I hear somebody. Uh-oh.